Hi, it's Amelia from Coveya, and today I'll be talking to you about the used conveyors that we have available for sale. We have a range of used, second-hand and reconditioned conveyors that are available for sale for immediate dispatch throughout the UK. At Coveya, we ensure that all our conveyors are fully serviced and tested before dispatch. Coveya also offer an installation and commissioning service as an additional add-on. Current used conveyors that are available for sale: the high-rise telescopic conveyor, the low-level telescopic conveyor, the Invader 45, the Expand conveyor, 2 types of bulk feed hoppers and many more. You can view our full range of used conveyors by visiting our website. Please feel free to contact us for more information and to discuss your requirements with one of our specialists. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.